In a vast forest, a little bird lived high up in a tree. Its wings were still young and weak. Every day, it watched other birds soaring freely in the sky, feeling both envious and scared. One day, its mother said, "You're ready to learn to fly." The little bird nervously replied, "But I might fall. Everyone will laugh at me." Mother gently answered, "Every bird starts from the beginning. Trust yourself, and your wings will carry you." Gathering courage, the little bird closed its eyes and leapt from the nest. At first, its wings flapped clumsily, and it nearly tumbled. But soon, it felt the wind's support, and its wings steadied. It succeeded. While flying, it saw breathtaking views it had never noticed before, the sunlight glistening through the trees and the breeze swaying the treetops. That evening, back in the nest, the little bird happily said, "Mom, I can fly. Believing in myself really works." Mother smiled and said, "Yes, facing challenges with courage brings unexpected beauty. Confidence is the first step to success. Only by believing in yourself can you discover your true potential and endless possibilities."